Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've really been loving crystals lately and I wanted to do a design inspired by Lapis Lazuli. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is polish your nails in a dark navy blue color. And I'm using this color by D&D. I forgot what it's called off the top of my head, something midnight. But you can use any navy blue color that you have. I love sparkles, and this one has sort of like a glitter to it. It's a sparkly, it's a little sparkle to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 2 coats of the navy polish down and go ahead and cure it and come back. Okay, so Lapis Lazuli has, of course, it has the navy color in the background, but it also has like a light oceany blue and like a gold sparkly glitter in there. And I'm going to be doing 2 different techniques to get this look. So right now I'm just finding the colors that correspond and match up with what I'm going for. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that second coat of the navy polish. Okay, so once you have the second layer of polish cured, you're gonna go in, and I'm doing 2 different designs, if I haven't already said that. I'm doing 2 different designs. The first one's gonna be like a dry brush stroke look. So I'm gonna be taking the pastel-y blue color and doing it in kind of alternate spots on the nail. And I'm going to be doing the same thing. So wherever I didn't put the blue, I'm going to be taking the gold and putting it in between there. And with a dry gel brush, I'm just going to be sweeping lightly back and forth, up, or you can go down the nail, however you choose. I chose to go up. And that's the design. I love it. I love designs like this, like marbling and this dry brush stroke, things that are just, you can mess it up and it still looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the index finger, the dry brush technique. See, you can see it on camera now. I'm gonna get better with this, you guys. I'm getting there, bear with me. So yeah, I'm just doing the same thing, taking that blue color, putting it in kind of like a ladder, stepping, like kind of like steps. I don't know the word for how I'm putting these pink strokes, but you know, you see what I'm doing, do it. And then I'm just going back in with my dry gel brush and brushing it, and then I'm gonna pop that in the lamp. Okay, so for this next part, I'm going to be doing a marbling technique, and I'm just trying to get my paper to stay down flat so the color doesn't go all over the place. There we go. Okay, so you're going to take the colors that you plan on marbling. I have the pastel blue, the gold, and and the navy blue. So I'm just going to put those on this back of a sculpting form. I'm just going to put the colors on there and like a little line. Really no rhyme or reason to how I'm doing it. I'm just putting the colors on there. Like I said, with marbling, it's hard to mess up. That's why I like it so much. And I wish you could see the colors better. We're going to get there. I keep telling y'all, we're going to get there. So you're going to take a dotting tool and just bump the table and bump everything. So you're going to take a dotting tool and swirl it all around. And then I'm using a ombre brush. I don't know why. I think it comes out a little bit better when I use an ombre brush. I'm just taking an ombre brush, scooping it up, and then placing it on the nail. Trying not to get too fidgety about it. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp exactly how it is. And I'm going to repeat the same thing with the other nail. I thought that turned out so cool. I really think I nailed it. Comment below what crystal you guys think I should do next. Yeah, that did not work out how I wanted it to, but the nails though, the nails did. Okay, and if you like this design, you can shop on my website. It's linked in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.